In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import text and Markdown in Notion. If you've got notes or documentation in plain text or Markdown that you want to move into Notion, this walkthrough will take you from sign in to seeing your content as a Notion page. Start by opening your browser and going to notion.com. On the home page, click Login. In this example, we'll use Google to sign in, so choose the Google option, then select your Google account to continue. Any sign-in method you prefer will work. The key is to get into the correct workspace before importing. Once Notion opens, look toward the top left area for your current workspace name. Click the small drop-down next to it to expose more options, and then choose Settings. Inside Settings, navigate to the Workspace section. This is where workspace level tools live, including the importer. Find and click Import. You'll see several sources you could bring content from. For text-based files, choose Text and Markdown. This option is designed to preserve common Markdown elements such as headings, lists, links, and code blocks whenever possible, and it also handles plain.txt files. Next, click Choose File. Your file browser will open so you can browse to the document you want to bring in. Select your .md or .txt file. If your content is organized across multiple files, you can repeat this process for each one later. For now, we'll focus on a single import to keep it simple. Before you proceed, open the Import Location dropdown. This lets you decide exactly where in your workspace the new page will land, such as a specific team space or a top-level location. Picking the right spot now saves you from having to reorganize later, especially if others collaborate in the same workspace. When you're satisfied with the selection, click Continue. Notion will process the file and set up the page structure. Depending on the file size, this can take a moment. When you see the prompt, click Go to Import to jump directly to the newly created page. That's it. Your text or Markdown content is now inside Notion. Take a moment to scan the page and confirm formatting looks good. Headings, bullet points, and code blocks typically map cleanly. If anything needs a touch-up, you can adjust blocks right in place. A quick tip: keep your source files clean and well-structured before import for the best results, and make sure you're importing into the correct workspace if you manage more than one. You've successfully brought your text or Markdown into Notion and are ready to continue organizing, sharing, and collaborating.